Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching the RevKid. So today it was raining in Kolkata, finally, and I decided to go out on a drive with my friend. Indian traffic scenes can get chaotic at times with vehicles moving in all directions and drivers honking incessantly. So this video is all about that. There are a few clips that showcase some award-winning driving skills. So sit back and enjoy the video. As soon as I turned on the wipers, it sadly stopped raining. We enjoy the video without the rain. There you go, the first idiot in the famous Wagoner, starting off his car without checking the mirrors and almost hitting into my car. This cute auto, leaving almost no space for me to pass. This big ass truck won't move from the right lane, so decided to overtake him from the left lane, but you see, this nice cab blocking the left lane right at the starting of the bridge. And now this bus driver be like, I drive a bigger vehicle than you. I am the king of the road. I won't let you pass. He is literally driving right through the middle of both the lanes, blocking the whole traffic. Another cute auto coming out of nowhere, taking a U-turn and of course without indication. This guy has to stop his bike in this narrow lane and check his phone, adding to the already slow moving traffic. Check out this lady in the scooty. She doesn't need a helmet because her skull is made of titanium. I think this Wagoner loves this taxi. Are they about to kiss? Oh no, the taxi refused at the last moment. Let me know the reason in the comments. Even the traffic signals have stopped working. They also need a break, I guess. This is why I hate EVs. They're more focused on their car's range than on the roads. Can't even decide which direction to go. Another idiot on bike. No, he's not at fault here. He's just saving time. It's our responsibility to save his life. I seriously don't know what to tell to these people. Like, thank you for not hitting my bumper. That's all for today. Hope you guys like the video, and if you want more such videos, you guys know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe. This is RevKid signing off. Thank you.